Gamers and creators, brace yourselves. ASUS ROG has just pushed the GPU game into a new dimension. Introducing the ROG Astral Force RTX 5090 32GB GDDR7 BTF OC Edition, a graphics card that's not just powerful, it's next-gen redefined. Built on NVIDIA's cutting-edge architecture, the RTX 5090 BTF OC Edition delivers jaw-dropping performance. With 32GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, you're getting bandwidth speeds up to 1.5 TBs. Yes, you heard that right. Expect buttery smooth 4K gaming, ultra settings, and insane ray tracing without breaking a sweat. The Astral series design is sleek, bold, and futuristic. Sporting a stunning BTF backconnect layout, all power and signal cables are hidden behind the motherboard for ultra-clean builds. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to aesthetic perfection. This OC edition is factory overclocked and ready to dominate. With boost clocks soaring past 3G and reinforced by massive vapor chamber cooling, you get peak performance with whisper-quiet acoustics. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or deep into AI model training, this GPU is built to lead. Powered by DLSS 4 and next-gen AI tensor cores, the RTX 5090 pushes frame generation to the next level. Enjoy higher FPS, zero latency feel, and next-gen immersive visuals that will make your current setup feel prehistoric. This card isn't just for anyone. It's for enthusiasts, modders, creators, and esports warriors who demand the absolute best. With Gen 5 support, AV1 dual encoder, and hardware-accelerated path tracing, you're unlocking the full potential of tomorrow's content, today. The ROG Astral Force RTX 5090 BTF OC Edition isn't just a GPU, it's a statement. A declaration that you don't settle for average. So if you're ready to transcend limits, this is your ultimate weapon. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you're hungry for more cutting-edge GPU content.